I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't want to say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. You're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Hello friends and investors, for today's video we will be visiting a house that is for sale in Mandawi City. So while on the road, as you can see, that's the situation of the traffic in the area, and we arrived in the house. So we have a quick run there. And I pulled in this. Here, there's a back door. There's a small pool here. The back. Yeah, entertainment building, something. So if it's a hot day, pwede mo dire magpasilong ng pool area diha. There's a building here for the guests probably. Pwede mag house party dire. Nice. Let's check the roof deck. So definitely pwede ani magkape-kape in the morning. So we see the mountain area of Cebu City. Actually, this house is in Mandawi, guys. It's up for sale. It's in Hermag Village. We see City Lights condo there. Marco Polo residences as well. In Lahog.
Rooms, Airbnb man niya. So,
McDonald's.
Hindi ka gabi rin, indot diri kuan.
Tambay. Koi ba? Koi pan. Nice.
Mabantay kuan.
Mabantay.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Naka-enclosed. This is like a part. Ano dito? Mga rooms. Pila ka rooms sa ubos, bro?
Isa.
Sa
So,
CR. Common toilet. This is the dining area. Ano man entertainment area? It's ghost living area. The stairs to the two-story. Kuan siya.
Saka
Nice.
dito. Saka sir.
Ngani nga kuan dramatic kayo ba? Ang stairway to the second floor. Na terrace dito, diba? Okay. So two bedrooms, then one common toilet and bath. The master's bed with the master's toilet and bath.
There's the terrace.
Hingin ang ilang terrace dire. Kita ang Mandawi area, Mandawi City view. Yes, friends and investors, wait because we still have one more surprise. It's the basement. It's where we hide everything. Let's see what's in store for us in the basement. It's dark. There's nothing here. There's nothing creepy. Oh, kumusta naman natong city girl diha? Na plumbing kita ang plumbing. It's like a man cave, guys. You can do the gym here, your workout. Then what else? There's a bed here if ginahan ka medyo igang lang siya dire. Nice. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't want to say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. You're in the stars, and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers.